Hello everyone. I've gotten a lot of questions emailed to me asking me to work a problem using long polynomial division. This is a problem number 13 that is on your homework assignment that you're going to need to send to me by September 6th. And this is a problem that's very similar to that one. I'm going to divide 8x cubed minus 12x minus 8 by 2x plus 1. So let's establish our divisor. The 2x plus 1 is indeed my divisor. So I'm going to write him out here like so. I'm going to make my bracket and I'm going to put in my 8x cubed minus 12x minus 8. Now my problem is that the x squared term is actually missing. He's a very important part of the place value in the problem, and so he's got to have a spot to hold the x squared's place. I'm going to add him in by adding 0x squared to hold his place. Doesn't change my polynomial, but he needs to be there. Minus 12x minus 8. Now my first step is to divide 2x into 8x cubed. I can come over here to this side on my scrap paper to do that. 8x cubed divided by 2x is going to give me 4x squared. And I'm going to line that above my 0x squared. Now I need to multiply. 4x squared times 2x is going to give me 8x cubed. 4x squared times 1 will give me plus 4x squared. Now this gets a little tricky because I need to subtract. But I actually need to subtract that quantity. So I need to be careful to distribute through my parentheses with a negative sign. I'll do that by adding the opposite. The 8x cubes will add up to become a 0. 0 and negative 4x squared will give me minus 4x squared. Bring down my minus 12x and I'm ready to go at it again. 2x divides into minus 4x squared. If you want to come over here and write it down, you can. That's going to give me 2x. Actually, a negative 2x. So I'm going to put minus 2x here, and I'm going to multiply again. Minus 2x times a plus 2x is going to give me a negative 4x squared minus 2x. Now again, I'm subtracting this quantity, so I've got to be very careful about distributing my negative through the parentheses. I'm going to add the opposite. My 4x squareds add up to become a 0. Negative 12x and 2x will give me negative 10x. Bring down my minus 8, and I'm ready to go again. 2x will divide into minus 10x minus 5 times. Now I'm going to multiply through. I'm going to get a minus 10x minus 5. Again, I'm subtracting that quantity. I'm going to distribute through my parentheses with my negative. My minus 10x and plus 10x are going to add out to become 0. Negative 8 and 5 is minus 3. This now becomes my remainder. So the way that I want to make sure I get my remainder in my answer is you always take your remainder and put it over your divisor. Since he's a minus 3, I'm going to come over here, put a minus sign, and write it as 3 over 2x plus 1. And that would be my final answer. I sure hope that this helps.